Welcome. Thank you for your time. This is a video from our Business Building Roadshow, and today we're talking about the importance of leadership and good governance in business transformation and the automation of knowledge worker services. Please feel free to enjoy the other videos and to subscribe. There was a question a moment ago about complexity of transformation and the complexity of the business environment. Yes, it is complex. Yes, we have to manage grey. And yes, things are nuanced. And that is what I'd like to talk about with you with this diagram. The transformation is about the customer, and if we address the customer, we address profitability. We need to address products and services, our cost base, our response to the regulatory environment, and our response to changes in markets that's coming through technology. We need sufficient capital so that we can undergo the transformations that we need to make. We need to manage people. We need to manage infrastructure. We need to revise processes, and we need to revise how we use information, the automation of information, the use of artificial intelligence, those sort of things. And in some industries, the changes in the physical environment like farming due to floods, droughts, bushfires also comes into the mix. We need good governance. We need to change the environment in which people operate so that we can change their behaviours. They need training, they need skilling, they look to leadership for direction, for the example. Without a cycle for improvement, please see one of the other videos, and in the room we've talked about that earlier on. We're not able to improve, and we need to manage risk, as we talked about in setting objectives and strategies. If we manage all of these, we can successfully go business transformation, automate knowledge worker roles, and benefit society. And yes, it is complex. There are 100 shades of grey. It is nuanced. As one of the people in the conversation said, if you can't manage complexity, you're not going to make the transformation. If you cannot manage complexity, if you cannot manage nuance, you're not going to survive in business. Please feel free to get further details from the book, including case studies, scenarios, exercises, and practical implementation details. The book is available direct from the publisher, Amazon, or other bookstores. Any author profits from the book and the videos go to charity and community purposes. Thank you for your time. Hope you enjoyed the session and look forward to your comments. Don't forget to subscribe so that we can help you, and please make the most of the other videos.